her mama's not
What do you
quite
want, Neela?
strong enough. So we need
wanna
to
get
have,
up?
Okay. Bhargavi,
Yes.
you need to be able to lift her all the way up because this I've
Yep.
sprained this.
Okay. Ready, Neela?
Ready?
We need to have you doing some push-ups.
Oh, down the rain.
What do you
Okay,
say
hold
to
on.
Cherokee?
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
What do you say, Neela?
No, we're going this way.
Good
Giddy up. There we go. There we go. Are you going to be warming up there? Yes. Yeah. Keeps him warm. That's right. I'm going to be cold with his jacket on, huh? Yeah, those horses have jackets on too. Say hi, Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Say wave.
Hi, wave your hand, Neela.
Wave. I'm waving.
What is today? Today's your birthday, Neela? How old are you, Neela? 2.
And what are we doing? Yeah, what are we doing? What? What? We're
you
riding Cherokee.
With grandmama.
Yes. We put in all new stalls here. Ranch. We're adding. There we go. We're going. And what do we do when we get over to the gate? What do we do with the gate? We open it. Neela, you look out there. Do you see on the hill over there the yellow flowers? And above the yellow flowers are little horses. You see them? There's a herd of them. And